Downloading your account data from Discord is a straightforward process that allows you to access your information. Follow these steps to retrieve your data. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord application on your device or visit the Discord website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Go to User Settings. Once logged in, locate the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it to open the User Settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to Privacy and Safety. In the User Settings menu, find and click on the Privacy and Safety tab on the left sidebar. This section contains various options related to your account's privacy. Step 4. Request data download. Scroll down to the Request Data section. Click on the button that says Request Data to initiate the process of downloading your account information. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After requesting your data, you will receive a confirmation message. Discord will prepare your data, and you will be notified via email once it is ready for download. Follow the instructions in the email to access your data. By following these steps, you can easily download your account data from Discord. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to Discord support.